you, but I feel like I need a little refresh, a little something fun in my wardrobe for this season. I wear a lot of basics and I love good basics, but I found some amazing pieces from Macys. They're currently having their friends and family sale. Thank you to Macys for partnering with me on today's video. And I really want to share these pieces with you. Right now is the perfect time to shop. I'll put links down below for you guys, but let's go and dive into the pieces that I grabbed. What's great about all the pieces that I grabbed is every single one of them is a silhouette that we're used to, a classic silhouette, but it's just got a little bit of extra personality. First up is this button-down tie front top. I grabbed it in navy in a size extra small. I think it did come in one, maybe two other colors. Really, really love this silhouette. You're still gonna have that sleeveless, like kind of tank vibe that you want, but it has a little bit more personality. I also really, really love this fabric. It's a very, very lightweight, almost kind of linen-y, gauzy blend, which is nice. And I love a little tie front. There's something really just cute about it, but this one feels a little bit more polished. You're gonna see me styling it both with the 3 buttons and then with 2 buttons and just tied a little bit tighter. Just preference, I wanted to share both styles because I will wear them both ways just depending on the bottoms that I wear with it. I did grab matching shorts and I love the 2 pieces together, but obviously this is gonna be one of those classic pieces that you can wear on its own as well. I wear a lot of shorts in the summer. Who doesn't? It's really, really hot. But if you're always just kind of reaching for those classic chinos, or you're always reaching for those denim shorts and you want something a little different, something still just as comfortable, but just a little different, this material is so, so good. I love the kind of like eyelet detail with, it's just a really, really beautiful fabric. You've got 2 slip pockets in the back. It's rolled up. Lots of detail here. You've got the patch pockets in the front. Just a really, really beautiful, flattering silhouette. I would wear this with just like a classic tank as well and just like flip-flop, just for something a little cutesy but different, but still super, super casual, or dressing it up with the shirt that I already shared with you. I love these pieces, again, together or separate. I also ordered a pair of jeans. These definitely fall in that closet basics, wardrobe essentials category. However, if you are like me and you struggle with finding good denim because maybe you're on the petite side or whatever it is, this is one of my favorite pairs of denim. They are part of the sale. I would definitely shop this brand in general, but these jeans are so stinking good. I need to put together like petite jeans favorites or something like that because these are one of my favorites. These are one of my new favorite jeans. They're so, so flattering. The fit is great. It's what I love about this brand is not only are you gonna get good silhouettes, good quality denim, nice washes, but you're also gonna get on-trend denim. And I feel like this is that. It's both classic, but also on trend. As you can see, I'm wearing a 0. They fit perfect. They're not too tight. They're not too loose and oversized, so they're not too much. So if you're looking for a pair of jeans that just fit amazing, but are also on trend, these check all of the boxes. I love it. No distressing, no like holes or anything, just a really, really good wash and amazing, amazing fit. This is one of my absolute favorite colors. I feel like the 2 tops that I'm sharing with you are like a summer must-have. And if you're looking for something a little brighter, a little more like pop, you guys know I don't have a lot of color in my wardrobe. This is like exactly what I needed. I love the versatility of a button down, but this one isn't just like a classic button down. And that's what I was saying at the beginning of the video. All of the pieces feel really familiar, right? A classic button down is a wardrobe staple, but done in this kind of gauzy sheer material, in this color, it makes it so season appropriate. This is gonna be perfect for day-to-day wear, but I would totally take this on vacation. I would wear it with a bikini top underneath and like dress pants and like really, really amazing accessories for dinner. But obviously you can dress it down. You can see me styling it with denim. You can see that you can style it so many different ways. It's just a great piece for summer. So much versatility. And last up, I know a lot of you guys follow me because of handbags. We're all a little handbag obsessed over here. And I'm kind of making a few changes in my personal handbag collection. And I know a lot of you guys are always looking for more affordable options. So I decided to do a little shopping for the Macys Friends and Family sale. And I just thought this bag was really, really cute. So affordable. It's really, really soft as well, but I thought the silhouette was just really fun for summer. You've got this kind of gold ball detail. It's on the shoulder, amazing. You guys know that's kind of one of my current must-haves when it comes to handbags. Great size. It's just a really, really simple kind of shoulder bag with just a little bit of detail with the asymmetrical here, the gold ball. It's just a cute piece, super affordable. So if you're just wanting kind of a bag that you can wear throughout the summer that feels a little more fun, I wanted to share this one with you because it was part of the sale. So there you have it. Just a few pieces that I recommend you pick up during the Macys Friends and Family sale. Links are going to be down below. Please use those to do any shopping. I would very much appreciate it. Thanks again to Macys for partnering with me on today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.